Alright, so this morning I started on this next lesson, which was commenting out, which was extremely short. And I did it at like 5 in the morning. It took me like 20 minutes because I was so tired, but I forgot to record it. I hit the live stream and that wasn't doing that either. Anyway, so talked about comment and pound characters. This is lesson or exercise 2 of this book. Basically commenting things out. How to do it. Pretty simple. The next exercise is numbers and math. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's see what this is about. So we're going to make a new file here. Exercise 3.py. Okay. See what it's talking about here. Every programming language has some kind of way of doing numbers and math. Do not worry, programming frequently lie about math geniuses. It's a lot of math symbols. So we got plus, minus, slash, the asterisk, percent, which I think is a modulo. What's it do? It tells you the remainder of division, and drops the, I can't remember. Anyway, alright. Greater than, less than, equal to. I don't see is not equal to, but I guess that's not math as much as it is. I guess it can be used for math, but as much as like a true false kind of statement. Okay, for this, let's see if I can figure out which of these does. So let's complete the table. Alright, so we're going to start a new one. Print. I will now count my chickens. So counting chickens now, I guess. Print hens. Alright, I'm actually going to start using these. Should probably do what the book says. Hens, comma, 25 plus 30 over 6. I feel like that's not going to work. Well, no, I don't know. Print roosters, comma, 100. I don't know enough about the syntax, but some of these, I feel like these are not going to work and I have to debug them or something. I could be wrong. Oh yeah, that's right. Modulo is the remainder, and the slash is the division. Alright. Tired. I see why people say this is monotonous, but it is 3 plus 2, question mark, comma, 3 plus 2. For whatever reason, I thought you couldn't concatenate like this. I'm interested to see how the comma plays a part between the string and the number values. I can see that the comma is white, so it's definitely separating it. So yeah, I'm just basically typing stuff out of the book here. How about some more? Okay. How about some more? Is it greater? I feel as though I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes typing just because I'm tired. Is greater than or equal to -2. Okay, we have one more phrase. Is it less or equal? Okay. So, file, save as, desktop. It always puts it, you know what? Yes. So, all right. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, there's a way to CD. No, don't do that. All right. So you typed it. Okay. All right. That's what we do. We're going to open up a new PowerShell. Joey, CD desk top, and then we have a CD coding, and then we have CD learn Python the hard way. All right, so now we're going to do Python exercise 3.py. All right. So it ran correctly, which means we're not going to be debugging. So I'm going to compare them side by side. It says make sure you type this exactly before you run and compare each line of your line to my file. What you should see, I will now count my chickens. Roosters 30 or 10's 30, roosters 97. Now I'll count my eggs 6.75. Is it true that 3 plus 2 is less than 5 plus 7? It is false. Did I just print false? No, it actually did the, okay, so it actually did the math and print out false for me. What is 3 plus 2? And then, okay, I see what, okay. What is 5 minus 7? Oh, that's why. How about some more? Is it greater? Oh, okay, well this is cool. Is it greater? It's true. Is it greater or equal? It's true. Is it greater or less? False. Alright, well, this is a nifty little exercise. Alright, so now it says above each line, use the comment to write a line explaining what the line does. Alright, so above each line, use the comment. Remember in exercise here when you started Python 3.6, start Python 3.6. This is this way again, and using the math operation, use Python as a calculator. Find something you need to calculate and write a new .py file that does it. That'd be a fun project. So maybe that's something I can do for work. We're always calculating grades. Yeah, anyway. Write example 3.py to use floating point numbers so it's more accurate. 20.0 is a floating point. I understand what it's saying, but I don't know why I would do that. Alright, so go ahead and make some comments here. So this is a string plus math. String plus math. I'll count my eggs. String. Math calculation. String asking question. This just prints false. What is 3 plus 2? String with relation. Here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, get the point. Alright. So it also says remember next to 0 so we're gonna start Python real quick. We're gonna type Python and we can do 3 plus 6, 9, A equals 5, B equals 7, C equals B times A, C 5, D equals C times A in terms of D. So okay, so using it as a calculator. Cool. 16. So today, when I was grading some tests, I would do like 16 minus 14 divided by 16. Okay. Oh, okay, that's not right. So I do 16 minus 14. Wow. Okay. 16 minus 2 divided by 16. Anyway, 14 over 16, I get plus 3. 87.5, so 87. 395. So if I were to use, so let's say there's 16 questions on the test, so A equals 16, B equals how many they got right, 14. So C equals, it's going to be A divided by, B divided by A, enter, and C, it should be 87.5, okay. Just a variable use. Anyway. Here it is. Common student question. What is the percentage modulus? Comparing this calculation to be done with simple division. The modulus is a different operation. You just have to see the symbol. Alright, so that's that. Looks like the next one's going to be variables and names. I need to get some sleep. I'll probably do this one in the morning. That was fun.